In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the neuromuscular junction for A-level biology. So here we can see that the action potential is coming along the axon of the motor neuron and it's reaching the presynaptic membrane of the synaptic knob. Now, the action potential will cause depolarization of this presynaptic membrane, which will result in the opening of voltage-gated calcium channels. This will enable the calcium ions to enter the synaptic knob, and these will cause the vesicles that contain the neurotransmitter called acetylcholine to fuse with the presynaptic membrane and release the acetylcholine into the synaptic cleft via exocytosis. Now, the acetylcholine will then attach to or bind to the receptors of the ligand-gated sodium channels in the muscle fiber membrane, which is called the sarcolemma. So this will result in the opening of the sodium channels in the sarcolemma. So sodium from the synaptic cleft can enter into the membrane and it will depolarize it, can enter through the membrane, depolarizing it, resulting in an action potential. Now, in the sarcolemma, there are these invaginations called transverse system tubules, and they run very deep into the muscle fiber, right, where we have the sarcoplasmic reticulum. So that is how the action potential will be able to be transmitted deep into the muscle fiber. Now, it's important to understand that the sarcoplasmic reticulum, so the endoplasmic reticulum of the muscle fiber, has been actively uptaking calcium ions up until now. What happens is once that action potential arrives at the sarcoplasmic reticulum, it will cause the opening of the calcium channels, and this will result in calcium ions exiting the sarcoplasmic reticulum and going into the cytoplasm of the muscle fiber, which is called the sarcoplasm. Okay, and then this will result in muscle contraction, which we will cover in a later video. So that's it for the neuromuscular junction. If you enjoyed the video, I'm very glad. Take a look at some of the other content that may interest you on my YouTube channel. Otherwise, thanks very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.